Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you the different sales funnels in Builderall and how many things you can use these sales funnels to do. Builderall is one of those affordable platform which is really amazing. It carries a plethora of sales funnels. If you're still using outdated websites, which is becoming the thing of the past very quickly here, you need to graduate to sales funnels. Sales funnels are simple, they're easy to create, and they lead you directly to the lead the customers. Apologies, lead the customers directly to the sales. Unlike a website, which kind of confuse the customers a little bit. So sales funnels are very powerful, and they're really putting websites out of business. So I want to show you the affordable platform of Builderall, which you can use to build powerful sales funnels. And this platform is very affordable. It's can run you very inexpensive, about $50 a month, and it can do a whole bunch of stuff. If you look over here on the menu to the left, there's a whole bunch of stuff. There's also a 7-day free trial that gives you an opportunity to go in and browse on all the things that it can do. But today, we're just going to focus on sales funnels. So over here, it says Builders. I click Builders, and down here, if you notice, it says Drag and Drop Pixel, so Pixel Perfect. So I click on that, and I have my sites, new websites, sales funnels. So I click on sales funnels, and that's going to take me to the page where you have all the sales funnels. And Builderall is very simple. It's such a simple platform that you can build a three-page funnel in less than an hour. Right? You can build a lead capture page in less than 20 minutes, which I did on a video a couple of days ago. So you can also search for that video and learn how to build a lead capture page. Very simple with this platform. Here it gives you to the sales funnel page, and it says choose your sales funnel, right? And then you go down here, you have video sales letter funnel. I'm not going to go through every one of them. I'm going to click on some of them just to show you, the layout. But I'm not going to go through every one. I'm just going to scroll through them and show you what all the different sales funnels that Builderall have available. But let's click on the video sales letter funnel for you to take a look at the layout and how it is. It's a very simple layout, and I love the way Builderall do it because they show you, if you look up here, it shows you total pages. You have tutorial for 4 pages, right? There's 4 pages for tutorials, right? Then it shows you here time to edit, which is 20 minutes. It tells you to edit this, right? So here it is. You have 4 pages, and you can make videos for each page. And it could be a 5-minute, 10-minute video for you to go in. That's why it takes 10, 20 minutes to do this page, because you don't have to do a lot of writing, right? But it shows you here, this is just if you run an ad, it shows you the ad comes in, take you to the video sales page, and this is where a customer would basically put their information in, their email address, name, etc., what you asked for, and it could take them to your one-time offer, your downsell page, and to your thank you page, right? So it takes you to your downsell, checkout, and thank you page. So you can do this very, very quickly and very simple. And here it is down here. It shows you the funnels at the bottom right here, the layout. I'll give you an example of what they kind of look like, right? So it's a very simple layout and very easy to follow. It shows you the blueprint right here, which is so awesome, right? There's nothing on the market that's like this. There's 2 platforms on the market, I believe, that is like this, and one is ClickFunnels, and this one is Builderall. And Builderall is very simple and easy to follow, and I use it. So and it's working for me in my business. But we also do this as an affiliate. So now I'm doing an instructional videos to show you all the sales funnels that Builderall have available. So let me click on sales funnels again, and it will take me back to all the sales funnels that is there that they have available. And just to briefly take you through it, it says video sales letter, invisible funnel, product launch. You can do a product launch funnel, give you all the idea, a little description of what it is, what's a product launch funnel is. You have membership funnel, summit funnel, storefront funnel. This is really beautiful here. So this is good for if you have a storefront, right? So if you have an e-commerce store, maybe even a dentist could use this, or a chiropractor could use this. We even have training for dentists and chiropractors. So if you're a dentist and a chiropractor, or an accountant funnel we have, right? So if you, any one of these, looking for a sales funnels to get more leads, this is perfectly. It's very inexpensive platform. Like I said earlier, it's only $50 a month, and you have a plethora of tools that you could use. We also have videos on all the tools. So if you want to check out to learn more about all the tools here to the left, just check out the rest of the videos that we have. And there's more coming continually, because Builderall, the beauty about Builderall is that they're always upgrading or updating their platform on a weekly basis. So there's always new things, good things coming online. And for $50 a month, it's a steal. They're going to raise the price here eventually soon. They're coming out with a version 3, which is a 3.0, Builderall 3.0. Once they release that, the price will go up. I don't know how much. So if you want to get on board, now would be your best time, because it's only $50 a month right now to get all of this stuff. But storefront funnel, summit funnel, if you want to do a membership site, it's perfect for you. Webinar funnel, it's got a webinar funnel, and they're launching a platform where you could do, they're launching an app basically where you could do a webinar directly into your webinar funnel. So you could build a webinar funnel and do a webinar into your from Builderall from in your funnel. So it's like Facebook, for an example. You can do a live video right there from Facebook, but you also can do a video training in Facebook group, right? So this is kind of like that. You can build your webinar here, but you're going to be able to run the webinar directly from the Builderall platform in your webinar funnel. How powerful is that? This is some powerful, powerful stuff. You have the lead magnet funnel, the homepage funnel, bridge funnel, squeeze page funnel, basically just a lead capture page, sales letter funnel, auto webinar funnel, meaning that evergreen. So you can have your funnel evergreen, where for 24 hours a day, anyone could go in and just watch your webinar and purchase your products from there, or sign up. You capture their information. This Builderall is just a powerful, powerful platform. You have a live demo funnel that you can use as well. Survey funnel, which is a really powerful way of pulling leads in, right? Asking for survey. It's one of the most powerful ways to bring people into your business to get more additional leads and sales. Ask campaign funnel, application funnel, hero funnel, which is like this is really amazing. This is something that you can create. It's like an introduction to yourself, like a resume about who you are, and about me type things. You could create an actual funnel about me, which is about you. And this could be your resume, right, that you could run online and stuff, or send to people to look at, send to companies, business. There's 3 different pricing structure with Builderall. I think there's like a $10, $9.99 pricing structure. Then there's I think a $29.99, something like that. And then there's a $50. But the $9.99, you get very limited access. As of the $29.99, you get very limited access, but the $50 plan, you get all of it, and it's very inexpensive. So you need all of these things, because a lot of times you have sales funnels, you got to go to our websites, you got to go to other places to get other things. So the best thing is just get everything in one place. So this is it, guys. If you'd like to learn more about Builderall, these are all the funnels that you have available right here. There's a whole bunch of them. If you'd like to learn more about it, there's a 7-day free trial. You can click the link below this video. We're an affiliate for Builderall because we're using the platform. We're promoting the business aspect of it. So if you want to join Builderall, if you're an entrepreneur or you have a business, I urge you to jump on this platform. Get rid of your dead website and start using sales funnels. Your sales will skyrocket it. I think it says like 10 times more, right? You know, it's got 10 times more the effects than just a regular website. So imagine that. It's like videos. Videos get 10 times more views than written words, right? So it's important for you to revisit your website and take a look at something like this. Click the link below. Try it for 7 days. Take a look at it. If you have any questions, you can reach us, send us a message, and we'll answer any questions you have. But hey, thanks for watching. If you know anyone with a business or want to become an entrepreneur, start their own business, and could use this information, share the video with them. And they'll be glad that you send something like this to them, because it's a simple platform. Anyone can do it. I'm not a techie person, and I'm doing it. My name is Lincoln, and I'm with a SEO Guru Lab. And I want to tell you thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And click the link and check us out. Thank you. Take care.